Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Team Wire. Today I have a fantastic topic that I would like us to discuss. Right now here I have Volkswagen engine. So I'm going to show you how to identify good and bad spark plug. Look at these spark plugs. Number 1 is okay. Look. Number 2, no. Number 3 is not. Number 4 is okay. So number 2 and number 3 is not burning well. So now we got the culprit. The culprit is, let me show you. Let me zoom one of them. I saw some corrosion on some of the 2 sockets. Look, this is the corrosion I'm talking about. So we need to eliminate like this. So the main problem is corrosion, and this normally happens in a car wash. Water normally spills on these sockets and forms some corrosion. So that is the main problem that affecting coil number 2 and coil number 3. So solving the problem, use this one. Is a cup cleaner. This one is the best cup cleaner in Kenya. In short, you can use this cup cleaner to remove those corrosion in every socket. Make sure all the pins are clean. Let me show you another problem. This is a map sensor socket. Look at the pin 1. Pin 1 is okay, but pin 2 we have some corrosion inside. Look at pin. So the problem is corrosion. So I want to make sure that I have to clean all sockets. See, the plugs are still okay. So I'm going to use these plugs, the original plugs, because the problems were not the plugs. The problems were not the these are ignition coils. We have 4 ignition coils. Problem was corrosion on main sockets and inside the ignition coil pin. So we are going to return everything back and make sure all sockets are intact and no corrosion on every pin of each socket. Then we see how the vehicle is going to perform, right? Only thing we are going to do is, because number 1 and number 4 was burning good, so we have to interchange. Number 2 goes to number 1 and number 3 we interchange with number 4. So I'm going to start with number 1. This was number 2 in the previous, so we need to see. Now socket is clean. Number 1, number 2, like that. Make sure everything is intact. Pins are clean. Number 3. Number 3 is okay. So the last one, number 4. Now ignition coil and sockets are okay, everything's okay now. After that, next,